In this video, we'll show you how to play CS2 on Faceit. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want to play CS2 on Faceit, the process is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. The website mostly guides you, but depending on your account and how you logged in, things don't always look exactly the same for everyone. Alright, so first go to Faceit official website, or you can just type in faceit.com. On the homepage, you'll see a button that says start playing now. Click on that. From here, Faceit will ask you to either create an account or log in. The easiest option is logging in with Steam. Click the Steam login, sign in, and approve the connection. This automatically links your Steam account to Faceit. Once you're logged in, Faceit will drop you into the main dashboard. Look at the left side of the Faceit website and click on the Play tab. Now, depending on your account, you might already see CS2 listed here. If you do, that's good. If you're not seeing the same thing, on the top left, click on the three dots, select CS2, and Faceit will add CS2 to your profile. Now, before you can queue, you will need to install the anti-cheat. The first time you try to play CS2, Faceit will prompt you to download it. Just follow the link, install it, and launch it once done. If it asks you to restart your PC, go ahead and do that. After restarting, open Faceit anti-cheat and make sure it's running in the background. Once the anti-cheat is running, head back to the Play tab, select Counter-Strike, and now you'll be able to click Find Match. Now, as you may know, you need to have CS2 installed on Steam to play Faceit. If you haven't installed CS2, you can download it and then make sure CS2 is already running and you're in the lobby to avoid problems joining the match later. Click play and Faceit will put you into matchmaking. When a match is found, you'll be taken into a match room where you can see your teammates, vote on maps, and get the server info. When everything is ready, click connect and it'll load up the match automatically for you. And that's it. Once everything's set up, if you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.